which payment method is good? So I would say that online method is far better than the offline. So first of all, I would say that online payment method is very fast. Means just in a minute you can transfer your money from here to there, and by sitting at home you can transfer your money. And if you want to transfer your money in the other country as well, as so through the UPI app you can transfer your money by just in 2 and 3 minutes. So it is very fast, it will not take that much time, that much if you that much in offline it will take like and second thing I would like to speak about the in emergency situation, online payment method helps a lot. Sometimes we get stuck somewhere and at that time we don't have money, but we have mobile phone. So with the help of mobile phone we can get money, our brother can send money to us and we can use this money.
So, hello everyone. So, today we are doing debate here on a very hyperphysical topic which is about payment. Online payment or offline payment. Well, in my opinion, offline payment is far better than online payment. Why? So, let's talk about the reasons. So, first of all, my first argument is network issue. So, as I know about online payment, so online payment is totally depend on network or internet. If network is coming, it means that we can pay. If we have internet, it means that we can pay. But if network doesn't come, so it means that we can't pay, and sometime we have to pay urgently. It means that at that situation, at that moment, if network doesn't come, so what will you do? Can't we pay? Of course not. It means that online payment is totally depend on internet. That's all about.
Sister, I would say that it is 2025 era. In that era, you will find network everywhere. In the Musabad, I can transfer my money just in a minute from Musabad to the Meerut as well as. So see the network in Survey Down also we can transfer our money. So it is not like that if we don't have internet, so we can't transfer our money. And second thing, I would say that black money through the online payment, black money is reducing because people are paying tax to the government, and because of that people have to pay tax. So because of that black money is reducing from a country.
Okay, as you are talking about urgent money and all, so first of all, if we have to pay urgently, and at that moment, if network doesn't come, so what will you do at that situation? Can you pay? Can you pay?
In which area are you talking about the network is not coming?
In all the
In all the
in all the areas. In if I
give me example.
okay, if I talk about the data, means according to the data, 21,202 villages are in India. I am talking about rural areas, okay? And in these villages, 33% people are using online payment, and these people are facing network problems. It means that they are not using online payment because they are facing network problem. That's why.
Okay, so in rural areas are you talking about the? So if I talk about the cities, like in India, there are more cities than the rural areas, but we are getting good internet. So first in the rural areas, if people are used to do transfer by offline, so we can't say that most of the people are using online payment method. In rural areas, I would say that most of the people they are using offline payment method because they are used to do offline payment method. And if I talk about the tax, like in the online payment method you have to pay tax at any cost. Because of that people are not earning black money. But if I talk about in offline method, you can say that most of the people they are not paying tax, because of that they are earning black money, so which is not good.
As you are talking about, we are means in offline payment, people are not paying tax and all. So first of all, at everything we are paying tax. At everything we are paying GST. And how can you say that we are not paying GST? Means how we are not paying tax? Sorry, tax. We are not paying tax. Yes, at everything. If I talk about this duster or if I talk about this diary and all, so at everything we are paying GST, and we don't know that we are paying GST and all, but we are paying. So how can you blame this thing that we are not paying tax and all?
Sister, they in India there are 75% of people they are not paying tax. But why they are not paying tax? Because they are doing offline business, and in that offline business, I'm speaking. And if I talk about in business, like through with the help of online payment method, you can do business by sitting at home. Like you can transfer your money just in a minute from Delhi to Chennai as well as. So you don't need to go outside for transfer your money.